Ago Ghana. We are the Amenuveve Borborbor Band, proudly representing the vibrant rhythms and culture of the Borborbor people. We hail from Teshi, but currently reside in Pantan village under the Ghana Traditional Area Council. We are led by the revered chief of Pantan village, Mancheni Otuba III, and our local leaders. Our community is known for its rich cultural heritage, such as farming and fishing. We proudly descend from ancestors known for unity, craftsmanship, and brotherhood. We honor individuals such as Mancheni Otuba III for his impact on our community and culture. The group was formed in 2020 by Mr. Adolf Azanku, and for the past 5 years, we've dedicated our existence to preserving and promoting the culture of the Borborbor people. All our funds from our cultural performances goes to cultural centers, youth training, and community development projects. Vote for the Amenuveve Borborbor Group as the National Borborbor Champions of 2025 at the Borborbor Carnival by dialing the short code *920 *922# and choose number 11 for Amenuveve Borborbor Group. Amenuveve Borborbor Group. Elinami Tegbe. Yàtọ̀ bíẹ̀rù, lẹ́yìn Amenuveve Borborbor Misho Teshi, Pafifi Lai, Bile Pantan village under the Ghana Traditional Area Council. Yàtọ̀ leader and revered chief of Pantan village, Mancheni Otuba III, Prepe local leaders there way. Yàtọ̀ community, Onya Nami Bella, Midenagbele, Afemi Wana fish in check. Yàtọ̀ make you emi joro yomela, Onya Bella wana dekawa lonlo, Predo Eya wana lefike ho chulin. Yàtọ̀ group Ella O for me in 2020 by Mr. Adolf Azanku. And we have a year so with the leader, me call me have a culture, through a tradition so with preserved as a Borborbor group. All our process, head never performances so with the mela, me call na cultural sentence away, youth training, community development projects. Votes for the Amenuveve Borborbor Group at the 2025 Borborbor Carnival as the best Borborbor Champions 2025 by dialing the short code *920 *922# and choose number 11 Amenuveve Borborbor Group. Amenuveve Borborbor Group. Elinami Tegbe. Akpe.